Hello! Today, we will be talking about our strapping kit Contractor Series. The Encore Contractor Kits are your economical solution to easy and convenient strapping. The kits come in two different strapping options, polypropylene and steel. To choose a kit, first determine what you are packing. For heavy-duty projects, the steel kits would work best for you. For everyday, regular-duty projects, the polypropylene kits would be your solution. The steel kits come in two versions. The SS12 KOA is designed for half-inch strapping. It contains the EP3006 strap caddy standard, the S12020 MC steel mini coil of 300 feet, the EP1410 economy feed wheel tensioner, the EP1810-12 economy front action sealer, and a 250 count of the S12 SO2 snap-on open seals. And the SS34 KOA is a kit designed for 3/4 inch strapping. It contains almost all the same tools as the SS12 KOA, but with the 3/4 inch versions. The steel kits are great for quick and easy strapping. The strap caddy can contain all of the kit contents, making it simple for on-demand heavy-duty projects. The polypropylene kit comes in 4 versions. The PP12 CB01-PB is a kit designed for half-inch strapping. It contains the EP1330 T-puller, the MPP12-3000 polypropylene mini coil of 3,000 feet, a 250 count of P12 PB2 plastic buckles, and an easy carry corrugated box. The PP12 CB01-WB contains the same contents as the PP12 CB01-PB, but instead has a 250 count of the P12WB2-GA wire buckles. The PP12 CB02 is an economy kit designed for half-inch strapping. It contains the EP1100 standard windlass tensioner, the MPP12-3000 polypropylene mini coil of 3,000 feet, a 250 count of P12 PB2 plastic buckles, and an easy carry corrugated box. And finally, the PP12 CB03 is a heavy-duty kit designed for half-inch strapping. It contains the EP3080 standard strapping dispenser, the EP1100 standard windlass tensioner, the EP1200-12 economy front action sealer, the MPP12-3000 polypropylene mini coil of 3,000 feet, a 1,000 count of P12 SO2 snap-on seals, and an easy carry corrugated box. The polypropylene kits all contain an easy carry corrugated box. It makes it easy to carry your mini coil and seals all in one box. The box also contains a convenient flap for easy dispensing too. Replacement coils are also available for both steel and polypropylene. The contractor kits are available right here at Encore Packaging. For more information, please contact your nearest distributor. Thank you.